guys, it's Lucy, and today it's my first ever unboxing video for American Girl.
Nope.
So this is my first thing. American Girl suit, gym outfit, and a medal. And we got a little scrunchie for her hair. So let's go open this. Okay, so this is my second thing. And so it's my swimming outfit. So let's see. So we got goggles, and then swim pack, and then we have a bathing suit. So this is my next box. It's the doll stand so they don't fall. So this is this doll stand all builded together, and it doesn't it's not meant for Barbies, but you can use it for them.
We have a surprise.
I don't know it. It's a doll outfit. So this is for your pretty babies, just like